Meaning of gardenia.
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 Gardenia. Gardenia is a type of flowering plant that belongs to the family Rubiaceae. It is native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Africa, and Australia. The plant is characterized by glossy, dark green leaves and fragrant, white or yellow flowers that bloom in late spring and summer. Gardenia is often cultivated for its ornamental value as well as for its use in traditional medicine and perfumery. In some cultures, gardenia is also associated with love, purity, and devotion, and is often used in various ceremonies and celebrations.